the 3.1% asteroid. NASA has confirmed the unthinkable. This massive space rock now has a 3.1% chance of colliding with Earth. Let that sink in. That is a 1 in 32 possibility of catastrophic impact, the highest probability ever recorded for a potential Earth-striking asteroid in human history. There have been countless asteroids that have silently passed by our planet through the ages, but Asteroid YR4 is not like the others. They call it the city killer, and for good reason. Imagine a football field hurtling through space at thousands of miles per hour, aimed directly at our fragile blue planet. At its largest estimate, that's the size of YR4. If it strikes, the devastation would be unimaginable. Before I reveal the full, terrifying truth about this 3.1% asteroid, I need to take you through the top 3 asteroids that previously sent scientists into panic mode. You need to understand why this asteroid is fundamentally different, more dangerous than anything we've tracked before. Some past asteroids skimmed dangerously close to our atmosphere. Others had astronomers frantically calculating impact risks for years on end. But this one, this city killer, is making headlines for a whole new reason. Past 3 highest recorded threats. Asteroid 99942 Bennu. First asteroid humans landed on. This asteroid was discovered in year 1999. The size of this asteroid was 500 meters or 1,640 feet, which is roughly the size of the Empire State Building. This asteroid had 0.037% chance of hitting Earth. That's 1 in 2,700 chance of hitting Earth. NASA's OSIRIS-RX mission studied Bennu closely. Interestingly enough, NASA sent in spacecraft to this asteroid, making it the first asteroid humans ever landed on. NASA's OSIRIS-RX mission was a journey to the asteroid Bennu to collect a sample and return it to Earth. Launch date was September 8, 2016. The spacecraft had collected rocks and dust from the asteroid's surface on October 20th, 2020, and then returned to Earth on September 24th, 2023. The mission's goals were to understand the origins of our solar system, learn if asteroids delivered water and other ingredients for life to Earth, determine if the conditions for life's emergence were widespread in the early solar system. Asteroid Bennu is no longer a threat to humanity, but according to NASA, it still could collide with our planet in the year 2182. Asteroid 1950 the Doomsday Rock of 2,880. This asteroid has the highest long-term impact probability of any known object. While its impact is far in the future, if it were to hit, it could cause global devastation similar to the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. This asteroid had 0.3% chance of hitting Earth. That's 1 in 300 chance of hitting Earth. This asteroid was discovered in year 1950. The size of this asteroid is 1.3 kilometers or 0.8 miles. This asteroid is spinning at impossible speeds. Unlike most asteroids, 1950 DA rotates so fast that it should break apart under its own speed. But it doesn't. Scientists believe an unknown force, possibly van der Waals forces, atomic cohesion, is holding it together, making it one of the few known rubble pile asteroids defying gravity. If 1950 DA does impact, it will strike at 38,000 miles per hour or 61,000 kilometers per hour, which is way faster than a bullet. The estimated energy release? 50,000 megatons, which is equivalent to 1 million Hiroshima bombs. Such an impact would trigger tsunamis hundreds of feet high, earthquakes, and firestorms across continents. Let's just hope that in year 2880, humans are lucky enough that this asteroid doesn't hit them. Asteroid 2004 MN4 Apophis. The Doomsday Asteroid. Asteroid Apophis was once considered the most dangerous asteroid ever discovered. When it was first spotted in 2004, astronomers calculated a 2.7% 1 in 37 chance of hitting Earth in 2029, the highest impact probability ever recorded at the time. For months, panic spread across the scientific community, with some even calling it the Doomsday Asteroid. It was the first and only level 4 on the Torino scale. The Torino scale is a system that ranks asteroid threats from 0, no threat, to 10, global catastrophe. Apophis was the first asteroid ever ranked at level 4, meaning a real possibility of impact with severe regional damage. On April 13, 2029, Apophis will fly by Earth at just 32,000 kilometers or 19,800 miles, closer than some satellites. From some locations, it will be visible with the naked eye, appearing as a fast-moving point of light in the night sky. If it had impacted, it would have released energy equal to 1,200 megatons, which is 75,000 times the Hiroshima bomb. Over time, with more precise tracking, NASA refined Apophis's orbit and ruled out an impact for 2029, 2036, and 2068. In 2021, new radar data officially removed Apophis from the risk list for the next 100 years. These were the past 3 highest recorded threats. All 3 of these were scary for sure. Now, coming to the record-breaker asteroid. Asteroid YR4, the 3.1% asteroid. Asteroid 2024 YR4 emerged from the darkness on December 27th last year, when the El Sos Observatory in Chile first detected its ominous presence. What makes this discovery truly chilling is a calculated 3.1% chance of it slamming into Earth on December 22nd, 2032. The highest impact probability ever recorded for any asteroid in human history. But the true nightmare lies in its dimensions. Measuring between 40 to 90 meters, 130 to 300 feet, YR4 isn't just another passing space rock. It's a ball of potential devastation, large enough to inflict genuine destruction upon our world. The gravity of this threat is reflected in its level 3 rating on the Torino scale, a classification reserved only for the most concerning near-Earth objects. Should YR4 collide with our planet, the impact would unleash approximately 8 megatons of TNT equivalent energy, carving a crater roughly 1.2 miles wide into the Earth's surface. The destruction would be unimaginable. Even now, astronomers vigilantly track YR4's path through the void. The James Webb Space Telescope has been specifically tasked with observing the celestial predator, desperately working to refine our understanding of its orbit and physical characteristics. Some scientists whisper of another disturbing possibility, that even if YR4 doesn't hit Earth, it might still strike our moon, forever altering the night sky we've known since the dawn of humanity. We can only hope that the city killer merely offers us a distant, passing smile from thousands of miles away rather than the devastating impact that keeps astronomers awake at night, watching, waiting, and calculating. If you enjoyed exploring these cosmic mysteries with me today, I'd love for you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest space updates and fascinating discoveries across our universe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more mind-blowing space content that I can't wait to share with you. Until next time, stay curious and take care of yourselves.